Hello, Pharmacy Tech Class of 2021. This is Ms. Gomez. Just wanting to get your input as to how your summer was and what you're looking forward to this school year. I know it's going to be a little bit different than your past years, and I'm sorry, but we all know what we're going through. So I wanted to introduce to you guys this Flipgrid website that we'll be using probably pretty weekly since we're not able to be in the classroom probably the way we would like until this pandemic can kind of go through. But your Flipgrid is going to be this code right here. It says Gomez 3696. And so when you go to flipgrid.com, you'll put in our code and you'll be able to go to our page. When you go to our page, this is kind of what it looks like. Whenever we can get together, I do want to have a class photo so I can change that class photo on there. But you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to the introduction video. So the link to this video is actually part of your class. So if you want to go straight to just this video and not to our class section, our Flipgrid code is 4, B as in boy, 46, F as in Frank, 661. And so when you type that code in, it'll take you straight to the introduction video that I would like for you to do. So when you go to this introduction video, when you scroll down, you'll see a plus sign that says record a response. It's in green, and it'll count down for you 3, 2, 1. And all I want you to do is just to say hello to your fellow classmates, tell us what you've been up to this summer, and share a fun fact about yourself. You can record it as many times as you want until you're happy with it. You can put emojis on it. I know it's kind of embedded with Instagram if you want to do filters, but I do want you to introduce yourself to the class. I know we have been together for several years already, but some of you have been in separate classes as of last year as juniors. This year you will be as one class as Pharmacy Tech, so I want us to get to know each other a little bit better. If you have questions, just email me at degomez@pasadenaisd.org and I will help you out. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and I look forward to your responses.